In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage and free up space on your Gmail account, especially if you're encountering issues with a full inbox that's preventing incoming emails. We know how frustrating it can be to miss important messages just because your storage has hit its limit. So let's dive right into the steps to remedy this situation. First, you want to start by logging into your Gmail account and checking your current storage usage. This is an essential step as it gives you a clear idea of how much space you are using and where you can cut down. You'll notice that Google provides a breakdown of storage usage, which is shared across Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Photos. This helps you identify not just emails, but any large files or photos that might be taking up considerable space. Now, head over to your Gmail inbox. Here, one of the quickest ways to free up space is by sorting and deleting unnecessary emails. You can make this easier by using Gmail's search filters. For instance, you can type in larger to 10M in the search bar, which will bring up emails larger than 10 megabytes. Sorting through these helps in identifying large attachments and emails you might not need anymore. Don't forget to check the spam and trash folders as they also count towards your storage quota. Regularly emptying these folders is a good practice to manage storage efficiently. Another tip involves leveraging Google Drive. Navigate to Google Drive and look for large files that might be hogging space. Here, the storage section within Drive shows a list of files ordered by size, which makes it easy to review what's consuming the most space. Remember, it's not just about deleting files. You can also move or archive content that doesn't need to sit within your immediate storage area. When it comes to photos, Google Photos often retains a lot of your high-resolution images that consume significant space. You can change the upload quality from original to high quality, which allows for unlimited photo storage, reducing the size of your saved photos without compromising much on quality. Now, the last step is perhaps the simplest one, yet something people often overlook. Google regularly rolls out free expanded storage deals and promos. Keep an eye out for such offers through your Google account or subscription services, as this can add a few extra gigabytes to your current limit without any additional cost. Also, evaluate your needs to see if opting for more storage through Google One makes sense for your situation, especially if you frequently find yourself running out of space. And there you have it, a straightforward way to reclaim some much-needed space on your Gmail account. By regularly managing and optimizing your storage between these tools, you can ensure that vital communications always reach you without a hitch. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on managing your digital life.